my okra is not doing good. I don't think this zone is good for okra. Every time I plant okra every year, this is what I have to go through. So I have to put a bag over it or something over it just to germinate it and keep it warm inside. The leaves were yellow the other day until I did this. So I know the climate is too cold for my okra. Want something I love so much, you know, I can't get no okra. So this is what I do. If anybody have any idea of how I can germinate the okra and keep it in the UK weather, please comment in the box below, because I really need to. This is my favorite. I love okra stew. I love okra just by itself. I love okra in everything, all chicken. Well, I stop eat chicken now, but yeah, I used to put it in everything. So I would like somebody to tell me how to plant the okra, because you know, saying everything you can plant. I wouldn't know, say. I wouldn't want to know, say, okra is one of them that I can't plant, because this is what I love to eat. I'm telling you, plant what you love to eat.